guys, welcome back to Beyond the Limits. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do an aerial. So first off, we are going to stretch. So you are going to spread your feet out almost like your arms width, and then you are going to reach for your right side. Do the same thing on the other side. After this, you are going to go ahead and go into a straddle. After this, you're going to reach for one side. Now just reach for your left side.
Here we go.
Now we are going to move on to stretch out our wrists. So you are going to go on your knees and just stretch out your wrists. If you want more information on this, you can always check out my stretching routine. Now just shake out your wrists. For your aerial, you will need a solid cartwheel, which you can check out on my channel. To make sure you have a solid cartwheel, do 2 in a row. Next up, you are going to do a dive cartwheel. Now that you got the hang of that, try a pickup cartwheel. In a pickup cartwheel, you can see that once I'm upside down, my hands are already up. Now you are going to combine the two and do a dive pickup cartwheel. Next up, you are going to work on your hurdle. Make sure that in your hurdle, you are going more for height than distance. This will lead for a better aerial. Now do a hurdle and kick your foot up. Now do a solid hurdle and go into a cartwheel. Now do a hurdle into a dive pickup cartwheel. Another drill you can do is to go on your knees and then you're going to do a cartwheel on a higher surface. Now you are going to attempt an aerial. If you're having trouble with your aerial and you keep putting your hands to the ground, try to hold on to an object and do your aerial from there. Anyways guys, this is a wrap for the video. I hope you learned your aerial, and if you did, subscribe, like the video, turn on the post notifications, and make sure to stay beyond the limits.